Welcome to our video on how to fix the 1017W error code in Worcester Bosch boilers. The 1017W error code is associated with low water pressure in your Worcester Bosch boiler. This code indicates that the water pressure has fallen below the recommended level. When you encounter this error code, you may see a flashing red light on the control panel. It's important to address this issue promptly to ensure the optimal functioning and longevity of your central heating system. There are several common causes for the 1017W error code in Worcester Bosch boilers. These include water leaks, closed valves, issues with the filling loop, a faulty pressure relief valve, and system blockages. Let's go through the steps to troubleshoot the 1017W error code and fix your Worcester Bosch boiler. Firstly, check for leaks around the boiler and heating system. Next, let's go ahead and ensure all valves leading to and from the boiler are fully open. The next step is to repressurize the system following the instructions in your boiler's user manual. Finally, bleed the radiators to release any trapped air. If you're unable to resolve the issue on your own, it's probably best to seek the help of a service team gas-safe heating engineer. They will diagnose the problem and ensure your Worcester Bosch boiler functions safely and efficiently. Remember, regular maintenance and servicing of your Worcester Bosch boiler can help prevent issues like low water pressure and error code 1017W. Don't hesitate to book one of our service team engineers today to keep your home warm and comfortable. Thanks for watching.